Students, today we'll continue our chapter. Plastics take several years to decompose as compared to other materials like peels of fruits, vegetables and waste foodstuff which decompose with a shorter period. Slow decomposition causes environmental pollution. The burning process of synthetic materials is also very slow and can't be burnt completely. The process of burning releasing a lot of poisonous fumes into air, causing air pollution. So it is better to avoid or minimize the use of plastics. Make a list of some occasions where you can avoid the plastics and use alternatives. Reduce, reuse, recycle and recover are the 4 principles. Can we avoid using plastics altogether? The entire civilization is developed with them. Every walk of life is linked with plastics. Now you can understand that you cannot avoid use of plastics completely, but we can reduce, recycle and reuse plastics and avoid indiscriminate use of plastics. We can also adopt recovery mechanism to convert waste into a usable resource. Let us discuss the 4R principle for creating an eco-friendly environment. Reduce. What do you observe? What do you observe when you attend a marriage or function? What plates? When you attend a function or marriage, what do you observe? What type of plates you will observe? What type of waters you will observe? For drinking water is supplied. The containers do they use to serve sweets and ice cream? What are the spoons made of? Everything is made of plastic. What are the spoons made of? Everything is made of plastics. How much plastic garbage will accumulate in a single function? There is a way to stop this use. Discuss and write the ways and means where we can reduce the usage of plastic. To avoid its negative consequences on environment, landfilling of plastics and burning of plastics in incinerators is the other way to disposable of plastics. They too have negative consequences. Therefore, we should reduce its usage whenever it is possible. Reuse. How do you observe that when we go to market to buy something, we go without any bag? With the result that we come back with lot of plastic bags. Every time we go to market, we accumulate lot of plastic bags. Some of them can be used again and again. Are we doing so? Articles made of plastics may be used again and again for this optimum utilization. This should be everybody's concern for an eco-friendly environment. If anything you feel now out of fashion and you want to buy a new one, give it to others instead of putting in it idle at home or throwing it out. Can you give certain instances where we reuse plastics? Recycle. You might have noticed your mother selling old plastic articles which are broken and not useful for the local vendor. What will they do with that? They collect all plastics from the households and send it for recycling. For these recycled plastics, new products are prepared after giving it to a proper treatment. Are all types of plastics recyclable? There are 60,000 types of plastics available in the world as on today. There are only 6 from these 60,000 we are regularly using. We have seen that each of these 6 plastics in a given code. These codes help us in recycling. PET code 1, HDPE code 2 are commonly recycled, but LDPE code 4 used for carrier bags is not recycled commonly. Similarly, PVC code 3 which is used for pipes are currently not recycled. The PS code 6 used for making coffee cups, egg boxes, packing peanuts and takeout food packing can be recycled. Recycling can be used to obtain materials from which the original products were formed. I think you understood reuse, reduce, reuse and recycle. Next class we will continue with next chapter. Okay, thank you students.